Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is e to power of x minus e to power of negative x over 2 is equals to 1 to find the values of x. In the first step in here, we can write this one as 1 over 1, and in here we apply cross multiplication, this times this and this times this. So in here it will be 1 times this is e to power of x minus e to power of negative x is equals to 2 times 1 is 2. And in next step, as you know, if we have a to power of negative 1, this is equals to 1 over a. So in here we can write this as e to power of x minus 1 over e to power of x is equals to 2. And in next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by e to power of x. So it will be e to power of x times this e to power of x minus 1 over e to power of x is equals to e to power of x times this 2. So in here it will be e to power of x times e to power of x, and minus this times this, it will be e to power of x times 1 over e to power of x is equals to 2 times e to power of x. And it will be, in here, e to power of x times e to power of x is e to power of 2x, and in here this will cancel this and it will be 1 is equals to 2 e to power of x. And in next step we take this to this side and it will be e to power of 2x. This to this side will be negative 2 times e to power of x, and minus 1 is equals to 0. So as you know, if we have a to power of m times n, we can write this as a to power of m to power of n. So in here we can write this as e to power of x to power of 2 and minus 2 e to power of x minus 1 is equals to 0. And in here e to power of x is common, right? So we let e to power of x as u. So we rewrite this equation and it will be u square minus 2u and minus 1 is equals to 0. So in here we have quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of u square is 1 and b is coefficient of u is negative 2 and c is constant is negative 1. So u is equals to negative b, negative 2 is positive 2 plus or minus square root of b square, it will be negative 2 square is 4 and minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 1 and over 2a is 2. So in here u is equals to 2 plus or minus square root of, in here negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, it will be positive 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8 and over 2. And it will be u is equals to 2 plus or minus, in here we can write 8 as 4 times 2, right, and over 2. So it will be u is equals to 2 plus or minus, in here we can write square root of 4 times 2 as square root of 4 times square root of 2, right, and over 2. So it will be u is equals to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 and times square root of 2 and over 2. And in next step we separate this fraction and it will be u is equals to 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2 over 2. And it will be 2 over 2 is 1 and plus or minus, and here this 2 will cancel this, and it will be the square root of 2. So in here we have two answers for u, and we recall u is equals to e to power of x, right? So from here, e to power of x is equals to 1 plus square root of 2, or e to power of x is equals to 1 minus square root of 2, right? In here, e is positive, so e to power of x is positive, is greater than 0. And in here, 1 minus square root of 2 is negative. So from here, we reject this answer. And we continue by this. So from here, e to power of x is equals to 1 plus square root of 2. And in here, we apply natural log to both sides of this equation. So it will be ln of e to power of x is equals to ln of 1 plus square root of 2. So in here, ln of e to power of x is equals to x. Because as you know, if we have ln of e to power of a, we can write this as, we can take this power outside of ln, and it will be a times ln of e. And ln of e is 1, so it will be ln of e to power of a is equals to a. So from here, ln of e to power of x is equals to x, and is equals to ln of 1 plus square root of 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.